Alright, YouTube land, we're back with another video. Today we got a Magnum S-6 in by Bill. Bill sent this radio in. It was pretty much a complete basket case. He wanted to see if we could fix it. Somebody had done a bunch of parts changing, had wrong parts in it. We had to replace the ERF 2030s, one drive and two ERF 20. This was the MOSFET model. The earlier models of this radio had a 2166 driving two 1969s bipolar junction transistors, and this one had MOSFETs. So anyway, so we replaced those. We replaced the 2SB827 regulator, and we went through it per Bill's request, and we did well, I don't have the, let me hook this part back up. Hold on just one second. Hook this back up. We can't show the cyanide. Alright, excuse my bad photography. There we go. Let me get it back on there. So anyway, we're bouncing at 12 dB of cyanide, right at negative 99 dB. And the radio is working great. If we go down negative 118. I don't know if the camera can detect it, but it's still in there. So got good receive sensitivity and a good low noise floor. So anyway, what we're going to do now, I'm going to pause the video real quick. We're going to hook it up to the deal, and we're going to do an overview of the transmit. Okay, so this is a prime. We're back, and this is this radio with the Top Gun modulator, which is an MPC mod, which is a hack basically installed from the factory. Is a perfect radio to do an example of, to show you guys and drive the point home once again that audio is all relative. Your audio is 100%. 100% is 100%. It don't matter if it's 2 watts or it's 80 watts. 100% modulation is 100% modulation. You don't need all this swing kits and low BS to get out and be heard. A radio like this, for instance, 1 watt swinging 50 is total hackery. Why do you need that? If you want more power, just turn the power up if you're not running an amplifier. If you want more power than that, then put an amplifier in line and maintain a clean station that's not blowing into adjacent channels. So what we got here, and we're going to let y'all hear it on the Kenwood here. Well, let me turn this down just a touch. As you can see, we got a 1 watt dead key.
Hello, 1 2 3 4. Hello, 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. Audio check 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 check.
Modulating about 5 watts, bouncing between 4 to 5 watts.
Hello, radio 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. Audio 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. Audio check 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 1 2.
It's looking good and it's sounding good.
Hello, radio check 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2.
Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to turn this all the way up. We're going to turn this power all the way up. So what we got now, 50 watt, almost a 10 watt dead key.
Hello, radio.
Well, I don't have my scope. Let me turn my scope back down. And we'll turn this back down, get a reference back in there. Sorry, I'm one-handed, so it's kind of hard to... Almost. No. Eagle that back out. There we go.
1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. Audio check check 1 2 3 4. Audio 1 2. Hello, radio 1 2 3 4. Audio.
We're holding about 40 watts PEP power from about a 9.5 watt dead key with my voice. You know, all voices are different. Now, MOSFET finals will bounce around there and show you all kinds of stuff, mainly because they have a lot more audio than a standard, you know, like a standard BJT would, bipolar junction transistor. So, you know, I'm not a big fan of the Top Gun modulator with the MOSFETs because it goes severely. Hello, we're
flat topping, we're clicking, we're, you know, now we're over 50 watts PEP power, audio check. Hello. And if you listen, it kind of sounds distorted now.
It's just not as clean. Hello, hello, hello. Turn that back off.
Hello, hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. Now we're modulating 40 instead of 50, and we sound a lot better. It just sounds a lot better.
I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but and it looks great on the scope too, and it ain't splattering all over the place right there. So, and that's mic gain all the way up. So, you know, that's it is a hack. It is an MPC mod. You turn it on with the variable all the way down, you're gonna have full swing.
Hello, audio, 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio.
You know, squealing back, but
hello, we're getting into our adjacents pretty good.
Like that with that on. I personally wouldn't run it that way. I like a clean station build, but you can do whatever you want. It's your radio. So, and it's built into the radio, so there's nothing we're going to do about that. I'm not going to clip it out or anything. It's part of the radio, and kind of what made them popular. So, anyway, Bill, this is going to conclude the test of your Magnum S-6. We're going to get it ready to go back to you. I appreciate your business. And anybody else out there, radios, amps, power supplies, we do it all. You know, like I say, we're going to open the floodgates again here in a couple of weeks. I'm going to have a string of amplifier videos. People have been waiting on amplifiers. In the next week and a half, we're going to have a string of those coming up because I'm getting caught up. We're going to have a string of power supplies. I've got a 600 amp, a 400 amp, and a 1000 amp, and a 300 amp. And we're going to have those. We're going to be debuting. So got a lot of stuff that's cooking that I'm not done, that I'm just finishing up. So you guys stay tuned. We got a lot of cool stuff coming up, and then we're going to be opening the gates back up and start taking orders again here in the next couple of weeks, because we'll be caught up finally from all the bull crap from December, the FCC snitch. So anyway, y'all be safe, be careful, be kind. We're going to get out of here. Catch you later. Bump, bump.